Hi guys, in today's video we'll compare two logo making softwares. First is logomaker.com and second is Myra.io AI logo maker. We'll go through step by step process in creating logos with both the softwares, and you can judge that which one you want to use, which one you are comfortable using, etc. So first let's start with logomaker.com. To create a logo, click on make a logo. A window opens and you have to select the industry. So here let's try and make a logo for a marketing company. So we'll select marketing and communication, and I will type a name, let's say brand Fox. I'll leave other two lines, create, make a logo. Now it will give you options to select what kind of text you want. So I will just select, let's say this one and this one. Then it asks us to select the fonts, type of fonts. So I will select display, script, and this one for example. The good thing is that you can already see some logos are created in the background, so it gives you good going forward. Choose up to 3 logo layouts. So icon above, curved text, icon left, icon right. So let's select this one and this one, and then click next. So pretty easy so far. Some logos are created and we can select one of them. Just look at the output. All of them are on a white background, and basically some text and icons. Some of them are relevant because we had a name called brand Fox. Some of are abstract and some of them are very different than what we expect. Let's look at other set. Click on next and it will show more. We typed brand Fox, but we have got a dog here. That's okay. So probably we can change that. Let's choose one of it. Let's say this one. To edit, basically go to edit logo. It loads the editor. Here you can select the text and change the color as well. Okay, so you can change the color of the text, but it is showing the recommended color, usually good one, based on the icon. So let's keep this one. If you want, you can change. If you want to change the font, basically you have to go here and you have to play and change the font one by one to see how it looks. Okay, I can't click outside, but it's okay. So let's select this one again and see the other font. This is too decorative, so I will keep, let's say this one. Yeah, so this looks nice. Now select the icon. Icon we can't change much, so icon is icon. Now we have to click on save logo to save it. Now this comes with a watermark, so basically you can't download it. Let's try and save it. So now the logo is ready, so it is asking me to sign up, and then probably I'll be able to download. If you want a high resolution version, they have shown the pricing here. It's $39, so roughly in Indian rupees it will be around 3000 rupees, right? So that's logo maker, quite an old site. Lot of designs to choose from. You can try that. Next one we'll look at today is Myra AI. So I will provide the link for this one down. So let's try and create the same logo here, and we'll type brand Fox, hit enter. That's all you have to do. Then it will ask you to select the business category. So we select marketing and branding. So now it has shown some logos. Let's see here. We have more foxes because probably it's guessing we like that. So okay, let's work with any of it. So suppose we like, so if you want to see more designs, basically we just have to click on create more. Alright, now we have more designs. I like let's say this one because so cute. So yeah, so let's start with this one. Okay, so if you want to change the font, right, so unlike logomaker.com, you don't have to edit it, just click on the font and it will show us all the different type of fonts available and suitable for this, right? So suppose this one looks nice. Okay, now suppose we don't like this yellow background, right? So we can just click on a background and it will show me different backgrounds. Alright, in red and all the stuff. This one looks nice. Just in case if you don't like the icon, just click on the icon, it will change the icons as well. So basically here you build the logo by just clicking, you don't have to drag, drop or change things. So any of the one you like, this one look nice. So if you like this one, basically click on the heart icon and it will show you different visualization, right? How it will look on the black and white, white on black, how it will look on a website, on your letterhead and stuff like that, on the hoardings, on the posters, etc. Now to download the free version, just click here, download low resolution version. They also have a premium version like Logo Maker, where the here the price is $4.99, it is around $7. The Logo Maker price is 3,000 rupees, that is $39. So it's quite cheap. You can download the low resolution version here by just clicking here. Just click on download and see. Okay, so now your logo is downloaded. So this is how you can use Myra AI Logo Maker to create an amazing logo for you, or you can try logomaker.com. It is all your choice here, but you can't edit much with Myra because it is all automated, but in you have more editing and flexibility with the Logo Maker. Thank you very much for watching, and do try these Logo Makers. Next week we'll come up with more comparisons with other softwares as well. Thank you very much.